Hello everybody, here we are at Maxs Garaj Mahal. We're going to do an unboxing day of an oil drain pan. Yeah, that's what I said. Oil drain pan. Okay, so here it is. Let's get it out of the box here. It is a 7-quart oil drain container. I said a pan, didn't I? Alright, 7 quarts, 7 liters. It's a Garage Boss. If they spell that correctly, you know, both of us know that would be G-A-R-A-J, Garage Boss, but it's not. This is a Garage Boss. And it's called an integrated funnel for no mess direct oil draining. Okay, perfect. So the reason why I bought this is, and I bought it from Walmart, probably bought it from 100 different places. It has a built-in funnel. So the way this operates, you just unscrew the cap and you screw the funnel on where the cap is located. Put this underneath your vehicle that you're changing the oil in. I could have sent this a little cleaner, couldn't I? And then you drain directly into this, and when it's through draining, you unscrew this, screw the cap back on, wash that out, screw this cap on, then you can take this to your nearest recycling point, which could be an auto parts store or oil change place, something like that, accepts used oil. So there you are, guys. Garage Boss, 7-quart with built-in funnel. Now we're going to give this a shot, and we're going to show you how it operates when we do the. We have a video, upcoming video that's for. We're going to be doing a drain valve on our Hustler Raptor SD. We're going to replace the drain valve, the plastic drain valve, with a metal drain valve. It's brass with chrome plating, and it doesn't require tools. You just push down on a little lever, turn it until it's open, drain your oil, push it back and release. Toolless. They use those things on big, huge earth movers. They use them on all kinds of machinery, so they're proven. We're just going to put it on this more because getting the tool into it is such a pain in the tail. So that's what we're doing. We're also going to add to this, and by the way, we don't know that the threads are correct on this because we purchased it through using someone's description of the threads, and I believe it's going to be incorrect. So we may not be able to do this at this time. We may have to change the valve for the correct valve or exchange it, or just buy another one probably. So we are going to add to this drain valve a hose about this long, about that long, and the way it's going to operate is you just screw it on the back side of the valve, and then on the side you'll pull it up the side of the motor, and I'll have a little catch there that holds the hose up when it's not being operated. It also has a little screw-on cap to keep dirt out of this hose. I'm thinking about replacing that cap with another valve, and that way you'll have 2 different valves to open, and that's just a safety check. So that video is going to have oil drain valve replacement as well as adding a hose. We're probably, I don't know if we'll do it in that video, but we may. We're probably going to put an engine oil cooler on the little Kawasaki motor, and a couple other things. We're going to put the oil filter adapter on it, the sandwich that allows you to use the oil cooler, and it also allows to use an oil pressure gauge. So it does have a pressure switch on it, but I'd also like to have an oil pressure gauge. The pressure switch doesn't have a gauge on it, so this will allow us to have a manual gauge or an electronic gauge, either one. So that's an upcoming video. By the way, we do want to let everyone know that's watching this video tonight, tomorrow. This is the 14th of August 2019, and those of you that are familiar with these videos, you've seen the Bizway 50% off coupon contest, and it will end tomorrow on the 15th. So you have through tonight and tomorrow to get your entry in. Just go to that Milwaukee replacement battery 50% off coupon contest video, read the instructions, enter, and you can win a 50% off coupon. There will be 5 for a single battery, and the grand prize winner will get a dual pack for 50% off. And just to reiterate, Bizway has lowered the price on this battery for us during this contest, and they're actually going to leave the price lowered for, I think, through the end of maybe October, I think they said. So they lowered. I paid $39.99 for this battery. They've lowered the price for us, for you, through the end of this contest and down the road a ways to $29.99. That's 33% off. Fantastic deal. I thought this was a fantastic deal. This is a 5.0 amp hour. It is 5,000 milliamps, and it is a 90 watt hour battery. This thing will outlast you when you operate it. It just wears me out trying to use it up. I really love the battery, so go by and enter in that contest. And I understood last night, the company told me that there's a possibility, and you won't know until you win, they might allow you to have a second battery if you're one of the winners at a reduced price. So a further reduction. So that's where we're at with that. We'd like for you to go by there and enter and help those people out, help yourself out. So I appreciate you guys coming by Maxs Garaj Mahal. We're also going to be doing a video on this new bench we're building here, and this bench just drops down out of sight when you're not going to be using it. And it's just mocked up right now. It actually is not on legs or anything. As you can see, it's just got a couple of sticks under it. Pretty neat, huh? And it just folds up. So I guess I could move all the clocks. And if you're not a member of Big Dog Mower Owners Group, go by there, Facebook, and join. If you're not a member of the Hustler Mower Owners Group, be sure to go by Facebook, Hustler Mower Owners. Get yourself a membership. And Mass Depot, we want to mention Mass Depot. Fantastic people for tools, for tires, for they've got wheels, all kinds of things. Great people. Again, be sure and enter that Bizway contest. And Fuel Works, they have got, I hate to say this because this is not their words, this is mine. I think they have the world's fastest fuel can. It's amazing. If you don't have one, you need to get one of those. So go by and see Bizway. Take a look at their products. They have replacement lithium batteries for rigid, they have them for, you name it, they've got it pretty much. They've got Craftsman, they've got Milwaukee, have DeWalt, several, Makita, they even have them for vacuum cleaners. Who knew? So go by and see Bizway. Those people can help you out. So I'm going to show you this real quickly. Now if I accidentally touch this right here, I can pull the stick out of there. That's actually going to be a table leg to a table when you go into the old Gray Gables house next door. And again, if I take this stick out, then this folds down like that. So let me show you how that looks when that's folded down. All right, there you go, guys. And this will just fold up. If you want to know how to do that, then I'm going to show you how to do it in a video. So we appreciate you guys coming by Maxs Garaj Mahal. Somebody asked me the other day what this was all about up here. That's one of the old Homeland Security FEMA clocks right up there that I built years ago. Still works, as you can see. You can see what time of day it is. It's getting late in the day, isn't it? So we appreciate you once again. We thank you for dropping by Maxs Garaj Mahal. Appreciate you very much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up, like button. And be sure you share, get more people in here on these videos. We're working with companies to get discounts on some mower blades. We're working with some companies that's got all kinds of lawnmower pieces and parts. Hopefully, and what I'm working with them for is to try to get you discounts. So right now you can get your tires at Mass Depot. You can get a Mass FX, you can get an SL tire, you can get an ATV tire, an AT tire, you can get a SUV, not SUV, a side-by-side tire, golf cart tires, all kinds of tires at Mass Depot. They are official tire company for Maxs Garaj Mahal and Hustler Mower Group. So we want to get you guys more discounts at various companies. So be sure and share these videos, and you have to subscribe to win any of your contests, because there's a randomizer app that I just learned about. Instead of having somebody draw the name out of a, which since I don't have anybody here but Max, I wouldn't feel comfortable with me just rolling a name out, because someone might think I'm have a favor to someone, I maybe draw their name. So we have a randomizer app that draws a name, and you have to be a subscriber in order to get your name, because otherwise if you're not a subscriber, it won't really see your name, because that's the way the girl set it up for me. I don't know if that's what it had to be, but that's what she did. Also, your name has to be visible, so if you have an invisible name in YouTube, then that randomizer app won't see it. It only sees the visible names. I don't know anything about setting these things up. All I know is all I'm going to do is on the 15th, which is tomorrow night when this battery contest is over, late in the night, I'm going to hit that randomizer app. It's going to pull up 6 names, and if you are a subscriber, it'll see your name, it'll tell me who they are, it'll give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then number 6, it'll tell me who the regular prize winners are for the single pack battery, it'll tell me who the grand prize winner is for the dual pack battery, and we look forward to you guys getting some batteries, and let us know just how well you like them. Thank you for stopping by Maxs Garaj Mahal. We appreciate it very much. Y'all come back and see me now. You hear?